I love growing squashes and eating squashes. In the past 30 years, I bet I've grown 50 different varieties at least. What I don't like is this. Ugh, the squash bug. They take over so fast. Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the squash bug, how to prevent them, and how to get rid of them. This is the adult squash bug. Their scientific name is Anassa tristis. They live all over the United States and are very prolific in the southeast. So the adults overwinter in your garden. They come out in spring looking for mates. The females lay clusters of eggs on the undersides of leaves. Yeah, they're called squash bugs, but they also will lay their eggs on cucumbers, cantaloupe, and watermelons. The eggs take about 1 week to hatch, and the nymphs go through 5 instars or growing stages. It takes 6 weeks for them to develop into adults. The bad news is that during this time, they have voracious appetites. Basically, they are sucking the life from your plants. So let's start with prevention. The adults can fly and can move from a neighbor's garden to yours, but having best practices will keep populations low. Step number 1 is to have a clean garden. Clean up plant debris in the fall and till the soil in late fall to expose any overwintering bugs. If you have friends like mine here, you can put them to work, spreading compost and cleaning up bugs. If you don't have chickens or want reinforcements, check out my video on attracting bluebirds. They eat a lot of garden pests. Other great natural predators of squash bugs include praying mantis and spine soldier bugs. So, another reminder to have an organic garden is so you can also encourage these free natural helpers. Plant squash and melons in either straw mulch or landscaping fabric. I've used both in my gardens, as you can see here. It's good to keep the squash fruits off the ground. Even slipping a piece of cardboard under them helps. Row cover is great and will protect young plants. Plus, squash like the warmth. However, you will need to uncover them when they flower to get pollinated. My last prevention tip is to just work towards healthy soil. The healthier your plants are, the better they fight off pests and diseases. Now let's talk about how to kill the little buggers. Now, what can you do when you see you have squash bugs? To start with, when you see the eggs, squish them. Just take your thumb and smash them. If that grosses you out, wear gloves or get a kid to do it. My sons thought this was great fun. Once they hatch, it gets harder. You can take a knife and flick them into a bowl of soapy water and then flush them. In the younger nymph stage, you can use safer insecticide soap. If you need to step up your game for a bad infant station, I use neem oil. However, once they become adults, they are very difficult to kill. You can use sticky traps, which have some effect. You can also lay down some old boards around your squash plants, and at night the bugs will hide under them. In the morning, flip the boards over and stomp on the bugs. Spraying dish soap is a popular home remedy. However, it's only partially effective. Dish soap can disrupt the cell membranes of squash bugs, causing them to suffocate and die. However, the soap may only kill adult bugs and not their eggs or nymphs. Also, dish soap can harm your plants. Too much can burn the plant. We don't want that. I hope this information has been helpful. Please boop that like button and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous sunny day.